Good morning, dear student. Today we are learning in grammar past continuous tense. Dear student, this tense is used for continuous actions in the past about whose beginning and end we are not concerned, or the form that indicates the continuation of an activity in past. For example, Rahim was playing tennis at that time. Was it raining at that time? She was cooking food at that time. And dear student, patterns are given here. Affirmative sentence, we follow first subject was were plus present participle form V1 with ing. Dear student, in negative sentence, subject was were plus not plus V1 plus ing. Dear student, in negative sentences, not is used, not is added just after the helping verb was were. And dear student, in interrogative sentences, the helping verb was were is used in the beginning of the sentence, followed the subject and ing. And if a question word such as what, where, why, when, etc. is to be used, then the helping verb was were follows the question word. And in interrogative sentence, mark of interrogation is put at the end of the sentence. Dear student, some examples are given here. I was reading my book. In this activity, which is in continuation, you were calling my servant. They were playing football. She was singing a song. He was not buying a car. We were not sleeping on the table. Was Mohan abusing his servant? Were they going to market? How many boys were playing in the field? Who was weeping in the class? Dear student, dear student, in with singular noun subject he, she, it and I, the helping verb was is used. And when the subject is in plural, the helping verb is used. Dear student, various uses of the past continuous tense. First, to express an action that was happening in the past. Dear student, for example, he was lying in the sun. And next rule is to express an action that was happening in the past. The past continuous tense is used. And in the meantime, some other action took place, then that action is mentioned in the past indefinite tense. When, for example, when the bell rang, I was watching TV. The action was happening in past. I was watching TV. And other action took place in the meanwhile time. That action is mentioned in the past indefinite tense. When the bell rang. Rang is the past form of the best form. Rang. And next rule is generally while is used to connect sentences, so two or more actions that were happening in the past. Example, I was reading a story while I was writing letters. She was singing a song while her brother was playing the flute. And similarly, has is also used with the past continuous tense. For example, has I was crossing the road, I stumbled. Hey, she was waiting for the train, she saw her mother coming towards her. Dear student, next rule is to express an action that was continuous at a given point in the past time or between two extremities of the past time. At 3 p.m. they were playing tennis. Yesterday from 8 to 9 o'clock I was reading a novel. To describe any various events that happened in the past one by one. My father was reading newspaper, my mother was preparing breakfast. I was standing, suddenly there was a knock on the door. I went to open the door. Next rule is to show regular development without repairing the time. It was getting darker. The wind was rising high. Mark of identification to solve fill in the blanks type exercise. Generally add verbal phrase such as at that time, at that moment, those days, then, as, when, etc. are used to express the past continuous tense. When two sentences are connected with while and if one of them is in the past continuous tense and then other one is also considered to be in the past continuous tense. Dear student, these are the various uses of the simple past tense. Dear student, and past continuous tense, it is most often found in the compound sentence with another verb in the simple past tenses. Describe the background against which the simple past tense took place. And dear student, it is often found with the adverb clauses beginning with while and when, and often adverb which show the duration of the action. Dear student, such as all last week, all yesterday, all last night. And dear student, here exercise is given. Complete the following sentences using past continuous or past simple tense. Dear student, do it yourself. Thank you.